guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be playing Pilot Training Flight Simulator, and here's a tutorial how to fly a plane on mobile. So let's get started. So I'm gonna go pick a random location, and guess it's Lorani, I guess. So for this, you'll see that you have a run tool in your inventory. You could press it to go faster. Now I'm gonna speed this because so now you can get any type of airplane in here. I'm gonna test it with you guys, so I'm gonna get a small airplane. Let's get your Canadian, and you could use any airplane. It's your own choice. So now you'll see there's 3 buttons. There's pilot, co-pilot, and passenger, and you should press the pilot button, and here you'll see control buttons like this. As you could see at the right side, you have 5 buttons. You'll see that there is a yellow rectangle, and there's like a random engine sign, and if you press that engine sign, I'll turn it, you'll get engine. And if you slide it up below 25, if you're trying to make your planes realistic, make it below 25. But if you are trying to like an imaginary, you could just do it over 50 if you like, but it is gonna be fast. Okay, next I'm gonna be talking about taxiways. The taxiway is where you follow the lines where the airplane's supposed to follow. So try to keep your plane straightened as possible with the yellow lines. As you can see, I'm not trying a lot. So yeah. Now let me talk about the runway. The runway is the part where you take off or land. If you feel like you're going a little bit too fast, you could slide the orange rectangle a little bit down so it can go really slow. As you know, my last 2 videos were one of the worst, but now I promise I could better landings, and yeah. I really don't want to waste my time here. So try to get in like on the white line centered as possible. Like this. Now slide your rectangle all the way up. And there you go. This is how you take off. In a moment, I'll be showing you how to land, but I'll show you how to cruise. So, slide your joystick up, and you could go up. Now, you'll see at the right, you have a wheels button, also known as the gear up, gear down, and press the button only once. But if you press it only once and the wheels don't go away, yeah, it's just probably your internet. Now you see there's world markers to see where you're going, and I'm going to go to the closest location, which is Perth. There. Your plane could be facing to the world marker because it's a good thing. Now, if you want to how I did it in my last videos were kind of wrong, because my friend teach me that you have to put throttle to 100, but one of my friends also told me to do it like this. So you could try putting your throttle to 75-ish, and there. Okay, let's talk about the sending. The sending, you slowly put your joystick down, and you'll see that at the top you'll see something descending, which is the feet, and it tells you how high you are. And once you see that, you could go kind of low, high, about that. And yeah, so that's all. Okay, let's talk about the Pappy Lights. The Pappy Lights, kind of a funny name. The Pappy Lights help you to know how high or how low you are. If there's too many red, which means you're too low. If too many whites, which means you're too high. If two whites and two reds, which means that your land or height is perfect. So yeah, if you guys don't see the airport, it's over the hill. Sorry. Okay. Now, when you are above land, you should be almost under 100. Should almost be under 100 and 1,000. Now you see that below, at the right side, above the toggle buttons, you'll see flaps, and press it 2 times, and you'll see that at the top left, you'll see that the flaps will tell you how much it is. Some planes got 4, some can have 3. Mostly it's just 2, so that's all. Now let's go to the toggle buttons. Toggle buttons have 4 buttons. Co-pilot full, if you're driving with someone spare, you could press it so the other pilot can drive. Co-pilot limit is the most realistic one. It helps you. It only allows the other person to do a couple things. That includes gear down, gear up, the wheel button I just told you, and flaps. That's all. Cruise mode makes the airplane stay at the top and freezes to people to move around. Altitude hold will put your height there, and you'll just keep going. Yeah. As you can see over at the distance, you'll see there's a couple lights, and that determines how high or how low you are. So if you see it equal like this, yeah, which means your landing is about to be good. Now, press the gear down button. So it tells you. So let's put the gear down button on. And boom. Now that's what I call a better landing. Now, the way to park is just go through the taxiway. So, yeah. And I can't show that real quick because the video's over. Okay, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell. And turn on a notification for any videos like this one. Thank you. Bye.